Here's how to find all WOW events through BullsConnect. First, log into your BullsConnect account. You'll see on the homepage that there are some upcoming events. To access all events, click on the Events tab. Here, you can search for specific events, and even by tags. All WOW events will be tagged under WOW. Click on the Filter button, and then scroll all the way down to find the WOW tag. Searching the WOW tag will lead you to all WOW events. And that's it. Check back on this tag closer to the event dates, starting January 7th through the 15th. If you're using the BullsConnect app, first, go down to the Events tab. Then, click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner. Here, you will find the Sort and Filter page, and this is where you can apply any event tags. You will search by WOW by scrolling all the way to the bottom and selecting the WOW tag. Now, after you click Show All Events, you will see every event tagged WOW. Make sure you check which events are on which campus. For example, the WOW Welcome Tent will be held on St. Petersburg campus. On mobile, you will not be able to search by campus, so make sure you check which campus is hosting the event. For events by campus, access BullsConnect on your desktop or laptop. We hope to see you during Week of Welcome.